Welcome traders, I'm back again with another video. In this video I'll be showing you my dashboard with funding pips. This is the phase 2 and this is the phase 1 also. That one was being passed, so the phase 2 is ongoing. I'm currently on the phase 2 and you can go and watch the phase 1. If you haven't watched it, you can go and watch the phase 1. That's the first video on this channel. You can go and watch it. Make sure that you like it and subscribe as well. I'll be taking you through a phase 2 where I am currently on a phase 2. I'll be showing my dashboard so that you can see everything is loading over here and everything was flat over here. Let me go to custom and custom this. Okay, so this is how it is looking. You can see what happened over here. I'm currently on phase 2 and I'm currently in profit 1%. I started by going a little bit drawdown, almost 2% in drawdown. Let me see. And that's like $7 to 2% in drawdown. And that's what I took first trade. It was a loss. And took third trade. That's a profit. And the fourth trade was a loss. The fifth, that was a break even. And this was like 1% win over there. And lost this back before I had this 2% win. That took me to this level over here. From drawdown into profit, I'll be showing that trade as well. My average win is 42.68 and my average loss is 34.41 and my profit factor is 1.24. That's not encouraging, but my win rate is 50% win rate. That's quite good, not that good, but that's quite good. And you can see the day traded in this just January. You can see how the chart is moving, GBP USD and GBP CAD, how they are moving. I took a trade on 5th and took a trade on 9th, 10th, 11th, 15th and 18th, but everything was quite good. From here, I was just cutting some of the trades. I just break even and I don't want to stretch this account. I just wanted to add payment pass this phase 2 and be a funded trader and get my first payout from this with this firm. They are a good prop firm. I want to get a payment from them as well. I don't want to rush this account. I just want to take it step by step and pass this account roughly by two winning trade as the goal. I'm going to pass the challenge. I don't want to rush it. This is my profit target at 21% over here. So the amount left for me to pass the challenge, almost 4%, and I'm going to pass this challenge because I'm going to 5%. I'm going to pass the challenge. I know I'm going to pass this challenge. So let me take you to the chart and show this trade over here. So I'll be showing these two trades over here. This one was GBP USD, I think. That GBP card. So you can see what happened over here. What I saw before taking that trade was something like this. I saw this thing. This price took these liquidities right here. Price took all this liquidity right here. Price took all this liquidity right here and price broke this structure. So I was waiting for price to take an inducement. So this is an inducement right here. Price took this inducement, moved further to take this liquidity as well. And price was ranging over here. So I was waiting. So this happened to be an Asian low. So that's a liquidity point. So after this Asian low was taken, a price moved to the upside, fixing rejections over here. So I was waiting what is going to happen. Let me see what price is going to do because we didn't close below the Asian range. This was a sweep. So I'm waiting for price to show a bullish momentum before entering trade. So this was when price broke this consolidation right here, break it to the upside. So waiting for price to come back to the zone so that I'll buy. So I know there is no other block over here that is going to defend price not going up. So I just put my entry over here, my stop loss over here, and I target 2% because it was late. That's almost 4:15 p.m. So as soon as trade hit 2%, I just close everything because actually my profit target have to be 50 pips, something like this. But I close it 2%, exactly on the 2%. I closed it exactly on the 2%, and this rejection came as well. So that's the win for me. So this trade over here, it was a sell stop that I took. The reason why I took this trade was that this previous day high was taken. Price took that previous day high. That's a liquidity point. Price took this liquidity from this point, give a momentum to the downside. Price is not going back to those areas because there is no liquidity over there. Price is seeking for this internal range liquidity over here. So I was waiting for price to give a momentum to the downside so that I can confirm that price is going to the downside. So I was waiting quietly, and price give this pullback, trying to break this trend line over here and fake everything. So I was just waiting for this other block over here to get violated. So this other block right here got violated over here. After this happened, this trade triggered and put me somewhere here in trade, and price moved and took this engineering liquidity. So I was waiting for price to either close below it so that I will know that what price is confirmed, everything is confirmed, price will be moving to the downside. Because I want more, because the news was in favor of me, I want more from it. If I can get 2% from this, 2% from this is where the 2% is, below this low over here, below this low over here. So I was thinking the news was in my favor. So if I can get 2% from this, unluckily, price took this liquidity over here and price was showing a bullish reaction in a lower time frame. So this was what happened over there. So this move over here, this was what price was doing over there. So this move over here did not take this low. So I didn't think of closing my trade and those kind of stuffs. I know price is going to go further to this liquidity point before anything that price will do it. So after price reached here, price moved further to the upside, came back, took this liquidity, and look at what happened. First, price took this low over here with just a sweep. So I was expecting price to either give a bullish confirmation, then I'll get out of the trade, or price should do what? Or price should break it over there and break and close below it. Then I'll know that hot price is moving further to the downside in the 1 minute time frame. But the next candle was a bullish engulf that engulfed this candle over here. So I was thinking if price is going to go to the upside, then I have to get out from trade, thinking this fair value gap over here is going to help. But this fair value gap didn't help. Price moved to the downside, react to this other block over here, and I was waiting for price to, when I was waiting for price to close above this high over here for me to get out of trade. So price closed above this high and I got out of trade. So that's 1%. Price close above this high over here. I saw that price is going closing above that high over here and I got out of the trade. So that was when. So I think my entry is somewhere here. So that's like 20 pips. Yes. So I got out from the trade when price closed above that. I got out from the trade and price moved straight to my entry before coming back, before moving again to the upside. So that was what happened. So if you are still watching this video, kindly like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's the only way you can help me on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. Bless up.